Tired of juggling multiple apps and confusing interfaces just to send money? Well, buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, we're diving into the world of Revolut payments and showing you just how easy managing your finances can be. First, let's cover card payments. See that virtual card? You can use its details for online purchases, just like a regular debit card for physical stores. You can use your physical Revolut card or even link it to Apple Pay or Google Pay for those tap-on-go transactions. Now, let's move on to bank transfers. Tap the transfer button. Here, you can add a new recipient, search from the list, or choose one from your contacts. You can then add their bank details, such as account number and sort code. Confirm the amount and currency. Review the details one last time and hit send. It's that simple. Last but not least, peer-to-peer payments, the quickest way to share money with friends. Select a contact from your Revolut list in the app. You have the choice of sending money or requesting it. Select the function you want and enter the value. You can add a note for clarity, double-check the recipient and amount, and hit send. Done. So there you have it, card payments, bank transfers, and instant peer-to-peer transactions, all within the power-packed Revolut app. Ditch the financial chaos and embrace the ease of Revolut payments today.